Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, June 23rd. We are looking at window traders market profile of the ES and SPY. So our theme is continuing as each time they try to rattle some shorts and take them out, the next day we find ourselves right back as they attempt to push lower. We have single prints here in the overnight right now inside of M's range from yesterday. We're 14 wide. As you can see, this is from the 16th, so a week ago today we had the price spike down, and since then they've done nothing but push down. SPY got within 1 penny of taking out their balance low yesterday. They're weak against it. Now again, they got closer to it because of the dividend. ES was still $1.50 away. However, if we do take out the 14th low, okay, then again, this price spike will be the target, and I think they would have a good chance of getting to it. So if we take out 83 and a quarter, I believe, I'm in twos here, so right around the 83 level. If we take that out, I think we have good odds. It's only another $1.50 or so down to the base of that price spike. I think we would test it if we had to take out the 14th low. So keep that in mind. I would probably be jumping on the short if we take out the 14th low to go get that. If we just take out the 14th low, get clearly rejected, come back in, well, then again, all we did was test the balance low. However, if we do take out yesterday's low, that'll be 4 days in a row one-time framing. It'd be hard not to call the daily down, even if we don't get acceptance below the 14th low. So when we recap the charts tonight, we'll decide what we're going to do. We still have a whole day of trading. NQ went out with a nice price probe. Overnight, they went higher, but look where they are now, right in the middle of their range. They had the afternoon pullback yesterday in H to lean on. They had a chance to take out yesterday's high late and have an outside day up, but they did not get it. Righty is down on the daily, and as you can see, they're continuing to go down here as they're making lower lows here in the pre-market. So they're firmly down on their daily. So as far as a game plan for us, again, I don't balance rules. Let me put SPY smaller. See, here's the balance I'm talking about. It's a 7-day balance that I'm looking at. Yes, some people are calling this down. No problem with that. Here's the balance low. That's the 14th low. Okay, so balance rules will come into effect in SPY right away. It looks like towards the balance low. Can you long that? Again, it depends. We have 75 minutes to go where the overnight low is. If the overnight low is around here, you certainly could. If they push lower, again, you could use the overnight low. But I can tell you one thing. If we take out the overnight low and we take out that 14th low, then I think sellers are going to get aggressive to go test the base of the price spike from the 12th. Okay, so I wouldn't live in that long if that's to be the case. On the flip side, if it holds, again, if that level holds, I'm going to expect, what have we had since Friday when the price spike? We've had the market push down. We've had vicious attempts during the intraday to alleviate pressure. Look at this on the 20th. Look at this on the 21st. Look at this even yesterday. So you've had these attempts. So again, I would expect that same attempt if they are to fail at the 14th low. What does it need to be successful? Well, obviously you need to take out a previous day's high. Again, if you're calling it down, you want to see that. But even if you're calling it balance like I am, you want to see them get away from that balance low and take out a previous day's high and start now putting whoever is short under water. Again, that's the game plan. That's what the market's doing in the short term in a nutshell. The longer term is healthy. The monthly and weekly is still healthy. Now, speaking of that, as we go to the chart, we have an inside day with this 4-day week so far, right? 3 days into it, we're inside week. So again, we could slow the progression of one-time framing up. It doesn't stop it. I would still call the weekly up to balance because we're still up. But that inside week could start providing some clues going into next week. And again, on the daily, you can call it down. You can call the 7-day balance. Hopefully we get a clearer picture by today's close. Thanks for likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4. 4 p.m.